Hey everyone, my name is Asbjørn Andersen and I am the founder of asoundeffect.com, the world's largest site for independent sound effects. I just want to give you a quick heads up that if you're looking for free sound effects, you can currently get 1,400 sci-fi sounds at asoundeffect.com/gift. That's because indie sound creator Nathan Moody is giving away his ANALOGUE ORDNANCE LITE sound effects library. He's also giving you a number of chances to win his full sound effects catalog. All of this is over at asoundeffect.com/gift. That's it from me, take care.